Hey there, SoilSage family. If you've ever watched your grocery bill climb and wondered, couldn't I just grow this myself? Well, 2026 is your year to find out. As the world leans further into sustainable living, self-reliance isn't just a trend. It's honestly becoming a necessity. But don't worry, this isn't about turning your yard into a full-scale farm. It's about discovering how easily you can grow real, everyday groceries, right at home, with just a handful of seeds and a bit of SoilSage know-how. Whether you're a total beginner looking for your first tomato plant, or a seasoned grower searching for next-level harvest hacks, this guide is for you. We're diving deep into what to plant, how to nourish it naturally, and the small steps that lead to big harvests. So, grab your gloves, gardeners, let's get growing. Start simple. Why groceries you grow makes sense in 2026. Food prices are unpredictable, and the supply chain feels shakier than ever. But when you grow even a portion of your groceries, you take control of cost, quality, and nutrition. You also build a small safety net that tastes amazing. The best part? You don't need acres of land or fancy tools. A sunny balcony, a few containers, or a modest backyard bed can yield surprising abundance. 2026 is seeing a huge surge in micro-gardening, hydroponic kits, and organic DIY fertilizers. But here's the SoilSage truth. The principles haven't changed in centuries. Healthy soil, correct ratios of nutrients, and consistent care are what make plants thrive. The magic comes from your hands. Let's get practical. A grocery garden focuses on crops you actually eat often, those that would normally take up space in your fridge or pantry. The idea is to replace store runs with homegrown abundance. Here's how to structure it. Start by listing your top 10 most used groceries. Maybe it's lettuce, tomatoes, onions, carrots, peppers, herbs, and garlic. Then match that list against your available growing space and climate. That's your personal grocery garden blueprint. For beginners, raised beds or containers are the easiest way to start. They keep soil loose, drain well, and let you control what goes in. No guesswork, no compacted earth. The easiest groceries to grow, and why they'll thrive for you. First, lettuce and leafy greens. They're fast, forgiving, and endlessly harvestable. In just 3 to 4 weeks you'll have fresh salads on your table. Choose cut-and-come-again varieties like romaine, oak leaf, or spinach. The secret to year-round greens in 2026. Shaded microclimates and lightweight mesh tunnels. Next up, tomatoes, the world's most loved home crop. Go for cherry or determinate varieties if space is tight. Tomatoes love consistency. Steady moisture, full sun, and a balanced nutrient boost like fermented plant juice from comfrey or banana stems. Now, green onions and garlic. Plant once, harvest endlessly. Garlic takes a few months, but the payoff in flavor and health benefits is worth it. Green onions regrow right from grocery store scraps. Just place roots in water, then replant once they sprout. Herbs like basil, mint, coriander, and rosemary. Nothing transforms a dish faster. Herbs thrive in containers, windowsills, or hanging baskets. They require little space but give you consistent harvests all year. Bonus, their strong aromas repel pests naturally. And, finally, peppers. Sweet or hot. Peppers love warmth and sunlight. Choose compact, early maturing types if you're short on time or space. Feed them fermented plant juice diluted at 1 to 500 for stronger stems and better fruit set. Carrots and radishes are perfect root crops for beginners. Loose, well-drained soil is key. Sow directly, thin early, and just watch the roots fatten up. Radishes mature in just 25 days, a real confidence booster for any new gardener. Strawberries are sweet, steady producers that even kids can manage. They thrive in containers or vertical towers. Feed lightly every 2 to 3 weeks and they'll keep fruiting for months. These 7 plants are your SoilSage starter pack. Once you master them, you can scale up or rotate into more complex crops like beans, potatoes, or even dwarf fruit trees. Feeding your garden the natural way. FPJ is the secret boost. If you've watched SoilSage Chronicles before, you've probably heard me rave about Fermented Plant Juice, or FPJ. It's honestly one of the simplest and most effective organic fertilizers you can make, and it costs almost nothing. Here's the breakdown. Collect 1 kilogram of fresh plant material like comfrey, banana stems, or spinach leaves. chop it coarsely and mix it with 1 kilogram of brown sugar or molasses. Seal in a clean jar, and let it ferment for 7 to 10 days in a cool, dark place. The liquid that forms is your concentrated FPJ. To use it, dilute 1 to 500 for foliar sprays, that's 2 milliliters per liter of water. Or 1 to 200 for soil drenching, which is 5 milliliters per liter. Apply every 7 to 10 days, especially during active growth. FPJ provides natural hormones and micronutrients, helping plants grow faster, produce greener leaves and set more fruit. Plus, it's eco-friendly and safe for kids and pets. Scaling for your space means using the right ratios for every garden size. One thing we really emphasize on SoilSage Chronicles is precision. Overfeeding and underfeeding are the two silent plant killers. So, let's match FPJ and watering proportions to real-world garden sizes. For a small 5 square meter garden bed, you'll need roughly 2.5 liters of diluted FPJ spray per session, meaning only 5 milliliters of FPJ at 1 to 500. For a 10 square meter kitchen garden, double that 5 liters of spray, 10 milliliters FPJ. If you're running a larger 25 square meter patch, mix 12 to 13 liters of water with 25 milliliters FPJ. Keep it consistent, not excessive. Plants, like people, thrive on rhythm. Too much fertilizer, even organic, can stress their roots and stunt growth. Real experiment, real results. Let's test 2 FPJs. Here's something fun you can try alongside me this season. Harvest 2 different plants, say comfrey and spinach, and create 2 FPJs using the 1-to-1 ratio. Be sure to label them clearly. Then, pick 2 identical tomato plants and apply comfrey FPJ to one and spinach FPJ to the other, using the same dilution rate and schedule. Over 6 weeks, just observe which plant grows faster, develops deeper color, or sets fruit earlier. This experiment, honestly, teaches you how specific plant nutrients influence growth, and turns your garden into a living lab. Many viewers of SoilSage Chronicles have done this test and, found comfrey FPJ produces stronger stems and better fruiting, while spinach FPJ enhances leaf color and size. The key is documenting results and sharing them. It's how we grow wiser together. Soil health is the silent hero. Before you pour anything onto your plants, remember that soil is a living ecosystem. Healthy soil means balanced microbes, organic matter, and structure that allows water and air to move freely. Start each season by adding compost, your plant's ultimate comfort food. A thin layer, about 2 to 3 centimeters, of homemade compost or worm castings twice a year keeps soil biologically active. Mulch afterward with dried leaves or straw to conserve moisture and regulate temperature. FPJ and compost aren't competitors, they're partners. Compost builds the foundation, FPJ gives the push. Together, they form the sustainable duo that keeps your garden thriving without chemicals. The future of home gardening, smart tools, old wisdom. 2026 is full of innovations. Self-watering planters, solar-powered soil sensors, even AI-based watering apps. These are great tools, but don't forget the timeless habits that make gardeners successful. Observation, consistency, and patience. A gardener who watches closely learns faster than any gadget can teach. Look at leaf color, feel the soil moisture, note how plants respond after each feeding. That's the SoilSage way, combining modern science with hands-in-the-soil intuition. Use tech to assist your instincts, not replace them. A small moisture meter can help prevent overwatering, but your finger in the soil will always be the best sensor. Keeping it fun. Gardening as a lifestyle, not a chore. Here's the truth, plants can feel your energy. When gardening feels forced, you'll rush through tasks, skip watering, or forget to observe changes. But when you make it part of your rhythm, morning coffee, evening unwind, it becomes grounding, even meditative. Celebrate small victories, the first sprout, the first bloom, the first harvest. Share it with your family, or post your progress using darn SoilSage Chronicles, so we can cheer you on. The joy of seeing something you planted feed your family is unmatched. It's not just about saving money, it's about reconnecting with nature, taking pride in creation, and reclaiming control over what goes on your plate. Harvest, store, and repeat, the full circle. As your plants mature, harvest frequently to encourage continued production. For greens, cut outer leaves and let the center regrow. For tomatoes and peppers, pick once they're ripe and firm to touch. This stimulates new flowering. Store your produce properly. Greens in damp cloths in the fridge, herbs dried or frozen, root crops in cool, dark spaces. Save seeds from the healthiest plants to ensure next season's success. Gardening isn't just seasonal, it's cyclical. Each crop teaches you something for the next. Each mistake becomes a lesson. That's how real gardeners grow, not just in soil, but in skill. Final thoughts, the SoilSage way forward. So my fellow soil sages, 2026 is the perfect time to reclaim your food power. Growing your own groceries isn't just practical, it's revolutionary. It's a quiet act of resilience in a noisy world. Whether you're cultivating 5 pots on a balcony or tending 50 square meters of backyard soil, every leaf, root, and fruit you grow matters. Start small, stay consistent, feed your plants with intention, and watch your grocery list shrink as your garden thrives. And hey, if this article inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to SoilSage Chronicles on YouTube, hit that notification bell, and share this guide with a friend who's ready to grow their own groceries this year. Together, we'll keep nurturing healthier plants, stronger communities, and wiser gardeners, one root at a time.